around. He's got the trifecta right there.
We can look them up to make sure.
Yeah.
At least we know they're trout.
Look how pretty this is. What a great location. Fresh caught fish. It's a pretty rainbow. Alright, so this is interesting. We harvested this fish, and out of its belly, we've got this tiny nymph, the one in the middle. Just a little blue nymph. And above it is a caddis fly I tied, and then below it is something similar where the wings have already hatched. Maybe that's the caddis, I'm not sure. But it sounds like I should use one of those two flies above and below to match what's in the belly of this trout.
It's not the mighty Mississippi, not the sunshine in LA. It's not a snow-capped Rocky Mountain on a warm summer day. It's not the glow of a full moon shining in the night.
Nice job.
There's nothing grand about a canyon that holds a candle to your sight.
There you go.
Most beauty that I've seen
And there he goes.
is you.
I wasn't allowed to go easy. I don't want to do that.
That's all right. Nice job, Mike.
Is you.
So Connor, what are the chances that 2 years ago I was on the San Juan River with a guy named Connor, and here I am in North Carolina, 1,700 miles away with a guy named Connor. It's the same freaking guy. What are the chances of that?
It was slim. I think I was the only Connor ever out there. And,
Slim to none.
Yeah.
But I get a guide once a year, and of all the
Small world.
guides in all of America,
In all the world.
I got the same guy. Anyway, awesome day.
Absolutely, man. Absolute pleasure, boys.
Not a trophy on the mantle, or that raise that was overdue. It's not a wish that has been granted, but being freed by truth. It's not a winning scratch-off ticket for never needing more. It's not getting through the hard times and being better than before. Nothing beats the feeling, so nothing else will do.
Wow, look at this thing. That is beautiful. It's like too nice to put on the river. We have fire.
Burning the coals pretty quickly, I hope.
I end up with like 4 or 5 hours of video, right?
Yeah.
I've got to condense it down to 5 minutes or less in order to keep a captured audience. So that's the challenge. No, that looks fantastic. My, this is the first time where I've actually harvested trout. I'm a catch and release guy.
Look at the different color for the flesh.
Oh yeah. And of course, a few chunks of garlic, salt and pepper.
Taste that. It is amazing. Even though that's like when I just scraped it from the bottom of the pan. Incredible. What a delicate flavor, right?
Woo! Look at that. So nice. Chili, trout,
Like a Neanderthal man.
and salsa sauce.
Where's the other pearl?
Mike's over there eating the eyeballs, the other pearl. But
Pull this out. Look at that. That is the cheek meat.
the cheek meat?
Uncle Elmer would talk about that for 1 hour. It's right out of the end.
All right, so this dinner has been incredible. The fact that we harvested these fish, cooked them up. I'm not sure how well you can see that. But that is a well-eaten fish, a well-appreciated fish.